Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we'll solve the LeetCode SQL question that is a biggest single number. So basically it has one table. We'll understand the problem statement first. So it has a table name called as in my numbers. In that it has only one column, that is a num column, and the type is an integer type. So this table may contain duplicates. Duplicates in the sense one number is repeated n number of times, many number of times. So this table may contain duplicates. In other words, there is no primary key for this table in SQL. Okay, there is no such primary key. So each row of these tables contains basically an integer. So let us understand a single number. So basically a single number that has appeared only once in this table, what of the my numbers table. So we have to find the largest single number. If there is no single number, you have to report null. Okay. For example, in this my numbers table, see, you can see 8 is repeated 2 times, 3 is also repeated 2 times. The rest of the numbers it is repeated 1 time. So in that, which number doesn't have duplicates values, in that number you have to return the highest number. Okay. So for that, how do we write a query? Means first of all, let me write, this is basically a kind of subquery you will get. You will select the num from which table? My numbers. Select num from my numbers table. You have to group by. Why you have to use a group by? Because group by basically filters the unique values. You'll get the whatever the unique values are there, you will group by. After using group by, you have to use a having clause. Having count num is equal to 1. Because see, when you use a group by, what you will get in the sense 1 4 5 6 you will get. So I mean you will get 8 3 1 4 5 6. So I mean it gives a unique values. I mean only once it gives. When you use a group by, it only gives a once. Instead of duplicates, it gives 1. When you use group by num, you will get 8 3 1 4 5 6. Okay, and you have to use a count having clause because you have to get the count which has only 1. I mean it should not repeat more than once. So you should use a having count is equal to 1. And also now what you have to do, after you will get a num value where the count is equal to 1 4 5 6. For this query, the output you will get as 1 4 5 6. Now what you have to do, you have to get the highest, means biggest single number. Select max num as num from my numbers table where num in. Okay, num in, open the bracket and you have to close the bracket right here. Okay, so let me explain you once more. So basically you have two queries. I mean it has a subqueries. So basically this what it does means you are selecting a certain column from the certain table name. That is, you are selecting a column name as a num from the table name is my numbers. And after that you're grouping by num. Grouping by num means you will group the num, means it filters all the rows with the unique values. After filtering out till here, the output you would get it as 8 3 1 4 5 6, and you will have the count where the number is equal to 1. Means you will get the count, the number should not repeat more than once. So the count should be equal to 1. After that, after you get for this query, the output would be as 1 4 5 6, because those are the numbers which have the count value as 1. After that, the next query is that you are selecting max from this 1 4 5 6. You have to select a max by using an aggregate function max. You are getting a maximum value, that is select max num as num. This is a column name you are giving from tables where num mean. Okay, so basically for this query you will get an output as 1 4 5 6. After 1 4 5 6 you have to select in that which has a maximum value, you have to get that. So now let me run. So yeah, it is, I mean it has been completely executed. So let me submit it. Yeah, it's done. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe.